Hello everyone, and welcome! In this video, I'll quickly walk you through setting up FastCrypt VPN on your Android device. This setup can help add an extra layer of protection to your online activity, provide an enhanced connection for smoother streaming, and give you secure browsing while you're on the go. Let's get started. 1. Fire up the Google Play Store. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Seek out FastCrypt VPN. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in FastCrypt VPN. Then, tap the search icon. 3. Select the app. From the search results, find the FastCrypt VPN app. 4. Install the app. Tap the Install button to download and install FastCrypt VPN on your device. 5. Open the app. After the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the FastCrypt VPN application. 6. Tap the three lines menu on the app's main screen. Look for the menu icon, typically represented by three horizontal lines, often in the top left corner. Tap it to open the app's menu. 7. Tap Update Config. Within the menu, find and tap the Update Config option. This ensures that the app has the latest server list and configuration settings. 8. Tap Add Time. Tap the Add Time button to extend your connection time. This may involve watching an advertisement or completing a quick task to earn additional time. 9. Select All Country UDP. Tap the area for selecting connection type and choose All Country UDP. 10. Tap Start to connect. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection process. That's it. You have now successfully set up FastCrypt VPN, empowering you to add an extra layer of protection, enjoy an enhanced connection, and experience secure browsing. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and in accordance with local laws. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tutorials.